Welcome to our channel. Let's fix your Connexus Credit Union account syncing issue quickly and effortlessly if you've been facing trouble syncing your Connexus Credit Union account. You're not alone, and the good news is that it's often a simple fix. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as syncing issues often stem from connectivity problems. Begin by logging out of your Connexus Credit Union app or website, then close the app entirely to refresh your session. After waiting a few moments, open the app again and log back in using your credentials. This simple step can reinitiate the connection and solve many syncing errors. Next, check if your app or online banking platform is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates that address bugs and improve syncing functions. Head to your device's app store, find the Connexus Credit Union app, and see if there is an update available. Install it if there is, then try syncing again. If the problem persists, clear the app cache and data. This action removes any corrupted temporary files that might hinder syncing. On most devices, go to your app settings, select the Connexus app and clear cache first. Test syncing again. If unsuccessful, proceed to clear data, but remember this will log you out, so keep your login details handy. Another effective step is to review your account permissions inside the app. Go to Settings within the Connexus app and confirm that account syncing permissions are enabled. Sometimes, permissions reset after updates or changes in the app security settings, which can prevent proper data syncing. Also, verify your login credentials are correct, because even a minor password change not updated in the app can disrupt syncing. Try logging out and logging back in with fresh credentials. If these steps haven't resolved the issue, it might be worthwhile to uninstall and reinstall the app completely. This ensures a fresh install and clears any deep-seated software glitches. After reinstall, log in again and attempt syncing your account. Finally, if none of these methods work, contact Connexus Credit Union customer support. They can provide specific solutions for your account or notify you if there are any widespread service outages. Remember to check official channels for scheduled maintenance or known issues. By following these simple, step-by-step solutions, you should be able to restore your account syncing quickly and get back to managing your finances smoothly. Don't let syncing troubles slow you down. Resolve them easily with these handy tips and tricks. Keep your app updated, permissions enabled, and connectivity stable for the best experience. Make syncing seamless and focus on what really matters, your financial goals. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful guides and tips on managing your finances and tech fixes.